All right, right behind me is one of the best new construction houses available right here in Helena, Alabama, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of that, but not only gonna show you that house, I'm gonna show you what this neighborhood has to offer and some local nearby amenities and different things that you need to know. Also, if you stay tuned till the end, I'll share some big news that's coming to this community that'll definitely impact the neighborhood, the values, and if you're considering moving here or anywhere close to the suburbs of Birmingham, you definitely wanna make sure that this one's on your list. Hey, I'm Zach, your friend in real estate right here in the Birmingham metro, and I help people just like you relocate to places like Helena, Alabama every single week. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. As you're looking at this from above, this is Barimore, one of the newer construction communities here in Helena, Alabama, specifically in the Hillsboro area. And what's interesting about this neighborhood is this price point combined with the location. Most new construction in Helena is either limited or it's pushed way up in the price. But here in Barimore, homes are starting in the low 400s, which is pretty rare for new construction in this part of Shelby County. And location-wise, you're right in that sweet spot. You're just minutes from Old Town Helena. They've got the amphitheater, and this area is known for the farmers markets, local events, and just a strong sense of community overall. But at the same time, you're not so tucked away where everything feels so out of reach. You can get back towards Hoover, you can hit Highway 31, or even travel into downtown Birmingham without it feeling like such a long haul. And then on top of that, you've got quick access to outdoor spots like Cahaba River and Oak Mountain State Park. So this is one of those areas where people move to for the lifestyle just as much as they do for the house itself. All right, enough about Helena. Let's check out this model home right here in Barimore. All right, this is the Victoria floor plan. It's sitting right under 2,200 square foot. As you see from the outside, you've got this nice white hardy plank siding, and you get this beautiful front porch. Hang you a porch swing up, sit and talk with the neighbors, or just enjoy your coffee in the mornings. All right, let's head inside, and you're greeted with the staircase. You've got a formal kind of entryway. You can have a table. You head over to the right. You can set this up as office space, plenty of natural light, or you can use it as that extra bedroom that's on the main level. And then you've got a full bathroom right here for either your guests to use, or if you've got some people staying with you, you've got pretty basic builder grade setup in there. So you check out the floor too. This is like an engineered hardwood floor, as well as you've got nice hardwood treads heading up those stairs. All right, let's head back to the living room now. So you've got a nice fireplace, an open concept. This is actually a gas fireplace, so it's on demand. You can just flip a switch. You can even see they got the pilot light on right there. I love the staging they've got set up here. You've got nice drapes as well. And then you look over to the right and you've got your full kitchen setup. You've got a nice island with its own dishwasher, farmhouse style sink. You've got nice quartz countertops. And you turn around and you've got this nice gas range. If you're a cook or even if you're an aspiring chef, you know the difference between gas and electric. And right above that, you've got this custom hood vent. And if you check out on the back wall there, you've got a beautiful tile backsplash that's more of a subway tile pattern. And again, just take a look at the hardware. You've got gold hardware on all of the drawers and the cabinetry, and you've got this nice residential style refrigerator. And then just right off of the kitchen is your eat-in area. This is more of that dining room space that they have set up here. So it's great if you're entertaining. And you've got this beautiful pantry set up over here. I mean, you can store so much food in there, especially if you've got a larger family as well. And just right off of that is your full-size laundry room. So you've got your breaker box in there, as well as a full washer and dryer hookup. All right, let's head into the primary suite now. You can see they kind of have it set up just as like a lounge area, but this is the primary, so you could fit a full king size bed in there. And then it opens up into your ensuite bathroom. You've got two separate sinks here, two separate mirrors, and plenty of storage underneath. You've got over to the right is going to be your soaker tub. Enjoy your evening drinking wine and just kind of relaxing right here. You've got a toilet closet with its own door, so if you're sharing the space with somebody else, you still get a little bit of that privacy. And let's check out the walk-in shower now. It's glass and tile. Let's go inside and take a look. Plenty of space in there. And then off of that, you've got this amazing walk-in closet with its own windows, so you get plenty of natural light in there and plenty of space if you're sharing that closet with somebody else. And then right outside of that, you've got this nice linen closet that you can hold your towels and all your other toiletries. All right, so that was the primary suite. So let's head upstairs now and check out the other bedrooms that's on this floor plan. So as you walk into the left here, you've got your first bedroom that's upstairs. Again, you got plenty of natural light. This is a queen size bed that they have staged here. And then you get these massive closets upstairs as well. And then off of that, you've got your own separate vanity. It is a Jack and Jill style bathroom that shares with the other bedroom. You've got a tub shower combo in here, and the toilet is in this room as well, but then a separate door into your second vanity for your other bedroom upstairs. And this is that bedroom. It's almost an identical layout. It's just flipped. And then again, you get that massive walk-in closet in this one as well. And don't forget about that linen closet. And then right off of the bedrooms is this amazing loft area that you can use just as a little entertainment space, game room, playroom, or just to hold extra stuff. You also have attic storage space up here, so just pull that down and you can check it out. And then right off of the loft, you've got this amazing unfinished space that you can convert into like a study or an office. It's already studded out and it's got insulation in there. And check out those windows. I mean, look at that view. We're going to head downstairs and check out the outside now. You've got this nice covered patio. You've got a fan. I mean, put you a TV up, some patio furniture, and you are in heaven. And then right around the corner, you've got a backyard space. You could absolutely fence this in and have just a little bit of extra area within your yard. And don't forget about the garage, guys. This is an oversized garage, so you've got plenty of space in here to park your cars, your vehicles, or if you want to turn it into a gym. I see a lot of people doing that. And then what's really cool is there's these oversized doors, so if you got a bigger vehicle, you're probably not going to have any trouble fitting it in here. And then as well as they're insulated doors, so they didn't go cheap here. They actually are giving you some pretty high quality stuff. And here's a look at that garage from the outside. Beautiful accents here on the doors. And then as well as just this extended patio. And then if you look down too, you've got an amazing sprinkler system already set up. So you've got your irrigation, you're ready to go. All right, guys, that was the Victoria floor plan. It's 2,219 square foot to be exact. And it's starting right around that 470, 480 mark. It's a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. Now, outside of the home itself, the neighborhood amenities here are another big factor. Barimore has a community pool exclusively for their residents, and that becomes a big gathering spot, especially during summer. There's also a private clubhouse that the residents can use, which is great if you're hosting events or you just want that additional space. But this is where things get even more interesting. As I said in the beginning of the video, there's some big news coming to this neighborhood. There's a new section of Barimore that's currently being developed with 66 additional lots ready to build on, and they've got multiple floor plans. So buyers are going to have even more options when it comes to the layout, size, and overall design. And zooming out for a second, this is why Helena continues to be one of the most popular areas in the Birmingham market. You've got that small town feel, but still access to everything you need day to day, from Old Town Helena to local events to outdoor access with the Cobber River. It's one of those areas where people move in and tend to stay long term. So there you have it. That concludes our tour of the Victoria plan, the model home right here in Barimore, and some exciting news that's coming to the neighborhood soon. So if you're considering moving to Helena or any suburb around the Birmingham metro, just feel free to reach out to my team using that link in the description below, or you can call the number that's on the screen. No pressure. And if you want more information about this neighborhood specifically, the floor plans, and maybe even the new ones that they're dropping for the 66 lots that they're adding this summer, feel free to look at the description below, or you can just text me the word Barimore and I can get you some information over on that. And if you want to stay up to date with everything happening in the Birmingham real estate market, make sure you subscribe below and like this video. It helps the algorithm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.